This video is about business timing and product strategy. Most people try to sell seasonal products when it's already too late. Real online businesses list premium products weeks early, so platforms like Etsy and Shopify can actually recommend them. Today, I'll show you a low competition product and 3 premium designs you can sell with a commercial license. Material costs are extremely important for any online business. That's why today we're not just looking at how to solve production issues, but we're diving straight into the profit margin you can expect from a successful sale. For our first product, I'm using different filaments like PETG. The costs for this specific part are exactly 1.78 euros. This material performs much better under direct sunlight and allows for brighter colors. By the way, beekeepers wear white suits because bees react much more aggressively to darker colors. The housing has some support structures, even though I usually design my models to be support-free. I added a 45-degree angle to the feet so the printer doesn't need any help. The object has solid feet for standing, but it's also designed for wall mounting. Because of the extra weight, I chose a stronger mounting solution here. The first floor is finished. When connecting it to the acrylic glass, I initially thought about using threaded inserts and screws, but I quickly realized that's too much manual labor and it drives the material costs up unnecessarily. The goal is to keep our product inexpensive to manufacture because your profit is hidden directly within the production costs. So, I designed a simple snap-on connection instead. Acrylic glass is perfect for giving the product a premium look. The transparency allows customers to look into the nest at any time to see if there are bee larvae. Plus, it makes it very easy to clean for the following year, which is often a problem with closed bee hotels. For cutting transparent acrylic, a CO2 laser is the best tool for the job. Initially, it was not realized that the glass looks better if it is not visible from the front. It looked high-end, but there were 2 problems. First, the glass can reflect sunlight. Bees prefer natural materials, so it is better to use matte instead of glossy filament. The second issue was that the glass guided the light too deep into the nest. After checking with AI, it was confirmed that the nest should be dark. So the modeling stage was revisited and the new floor looks great now. The acrylic plates are a bit shorter to make room for the front wall. This may be the first bee hotel in the world where all floors are removable and the larvae remain visible. There are 8 floors in total. This is where the material costs are highest, coming in at 3.94 euros with the software settings. The 4 different plates have 5 entrances in various sizes. If it turns out that wild bees prefer one specific size, the design can be adjusted anytime. The acrylic plates are 3 mm thick and cost 4.50 euros for the whole hotel. This is the most expensive part of the production today. For the other products, only filament is needed. Rain protection is a must for a product like this. What is a realistic price that animal lovers would be willing to pay for this? 4 threaded inserts are needed, which cost 20 cents. They are installed with a device that heats up extremely fast. Since the housing has a slight slope, the tool must be tilted slightly when inserting them so the thread sits straight and secure. The acrylic rain cover lets sunlight through but keeps the rain out. Ideally, a bee hotel should always be placed in a sunny spot facing south, so the sun warms up the bees early in the morning so they can start flying. Additional material costs 4 stainless steel screws. They were purchased on Amazon for 56 cents. All 8 floors now have this acrylic ceiling so you can see inside clearly. This luxury costs a bit more, but premium online customers are the best customers to have. The total material costs have been calculated. For how much can this realistically be sold? The difference between the production costs and the selling price minus taxes and fees is the profit. However, labor time must also be factored in, as this product requires more hands-on work than a purely 3D printed part. That is exactly the kind of product to look at now for the online shop. The next product is hitting the market at the perfect time for an online business, as it requires almost zero manual labor. Your 3D printer handles the entire workload for you. For the interior of the nest, I'm using matte PLA filament. Just a quick side note, I primarily use Bamboo Lab filament because I get it almost for free through their point system. However, I've noticed that the color consistency between batches is becoming a bit of an issue. You even see color shifts within a single roll, which isn't ideal for quality control. For example, looking at the lamp base from one of my recent videos, you can clearly see the difference between two rolls of the same matte filament. It's great that filament prices are dropping, but unfortunately the consistency is suffering. By the way, if you haven't seen it yet, you can use these 3D prints to create high quality concrete products, which significantly increases the market value and retail price. The lamp is also available with a lifetime commercial license for 3D printing and concrete casting molds for just €5. If you're interested in expanding your catalog. For the outer walls, I'm using this specific filament as well. Since a bee hotel should always be placed in a sunny and protected area, PETG is the superior choice for the exterior in case it gets exposed to rain. The material costs here are €2.65 for the housing and €6.07 for the PLA interior. The design offers two placement options: feet for the garden or balcony and a mounting point for hanging. The beauty of this product is the scalability. It's made entirely of filament, meaning your printer generates passive income while you enjoy your free time. The nests are the same size, but one features a countersink for the mounting system. I took a bit of a risk here and printed with only a single wall to massively reduce print time. Because of that, you can see the infill structure through the walls, but the efficiency gain is huge. The buyer can easily mount the product anywhere with a single screw, whether on a tree or a wall. It works perfectly. Like the first model, the entrance holes vary in size to give different insect species a place to hibernate. I'd love to hear your realistic opinion on this one as well. What is a solid retail price for this online? We know the material costs, and to calculate the profit margin, we need a realistic sales price minus platform fees and taxes. Since there is almost no labor time involved here, the margin is very interesting because the money is essentially earned while you sleep. What's your take? I consulted ChatGPT to find out which colors are most effective for a bee hotel. It turns out that blue, violet, yellow and white are highly attractive to wild bees. Since we've already worked with white, I started the next project in a blue and yellow combination. The housing is made of PETG in blue, as usual, while the nests are printed in yellow PLA. The print time for these models is slightly longer because every single opening requires its own wall. However, just like with the other models, you can print with a single wall line or use a larger nozzle to increase your production efficiency. Once we remove it from the build plate, we have a beautiful result. This is our most cost-effective model regarding material expenses. I believe it has the potential to be a massive bestseller because the entry price for customers is low and it requires zero manual labor. Your printer does all the work. These models will sell consistently from spring through summer. For the fall and winter seasons, I'll be designing different models for you. Flexibility is key. This model can be either placed on a surface or hung up. By offering both options, we appeal to a much wider range of potential buyers. While this color combo looks a bit more playful, you could go for white and beige or gray and white if you want to aim for a more premium look. Since the material costs are lowest here, what's your take on product number 3? What do you think is a fair retail price? By the way, the commercial license is included with the purchase, so there's no need for a long-term subscription. I support you with my projects and you support me by using my products or links. That's how best business partners work. Here are all 3 products for your online shop. Which model is your favorite and which one do you think will be the top seller? My personal favorite is definitely the one with acrylic glass because of the extra features, even though it requires a laser cutter and a bit more time. The other 2 are incredibly easy to produce since the printer handles the labor. I've shown them in different colors so you can plan which aesthetic fits your brand best. And remember, you don't have to print everything. Natural materials like bamboo sticks can be cut down and used perfectly as nests for wild bees. I hope your 3D printing business and your online shop are thriving.